The CQ can play audio directly from an SD card for multi-track backing tracks or virtual soundcheck use. These tracks must have either been recorded on the CQ or follow the exact format, file naming and folder structure of a recording made on the CQ. For more details on how to mimic a CQ recording, there is a link in the description of this video to a knowledge base article. Ensure you are using a supported SD card by checking that the card is SDHC, up to 32GB in size, Class 10 and UHS 1. This specification matches the hardware used in the CQ. Results with other cards, including those with higher speed ratings, will vary. With the card inserted, go to the config screen and in the USB SD Bluetooth tab, select USB SD. At the bottom left of the screen, select the sample rate that matches the recordings you wish to play back. Now go to the home screen and navigate to the Record Multitrack tab. Touch the Select Track box to select the track to play. Select a playback mode below this, then use the transport controls and seat control at the bottom of the screen to control the playback. With some audio playing, go to the Config Screen Inputs tab. Turn on Multi-Select, then select all inputs where you want to hear the SD card audio and switch their input source to USB SD. It's also possible to switch the input source for each channel in the preamp section of a complete input channel, and this is required if wanting to make use of the Bluetooth channel for USB or SD playback. Note that signals are automatically routed back to the channels they were recorded from. Also note that playback from the SD card will take priority over any playback from a USB-B connection. The CQ input channels can now be used in exactly the same way as when sourced from an analog input, and for virtual soundcheck you can make adjustments to processing and send levels before switching back to the analog inputs for the show.